Hi there. So in this tutorial we'll see how you can execute first water test script. For that we are going to check if our system has Selenium WebDriver. I'll also check if I have this water WebDriver. Okay, so I have both Selenium and Water WebDriver. So next step will be to write a command or code to create an instance of Firefox web browser. With Selenium WebDriver I already have Firefox WebDriver. Now you have to type browser is equal to water web browser dot new Firefox. You can change Firefox to Chrome, to PhantomJS, or even Opera. I'm using Firefox for now. This should open a small window instance of Firefox browser. Okay, so this is our browser. Now let's open browser.go to http google.com/ncr. okay, now I'm going to hit enter and then check result here. So yes, it will take us to the Google US homepage. Okay, so this was our simple script to use Water WebDriver. It's simple and just like you have done in our previous tutorial for Selenium WebDriver. Okay, in next tutorial we will see each of these Selenium and Water commands for checking page elements and performing small tests on them. For now, I suggest you to install Selenium WebDriver and Water WebDriver. To install Water WebDriver, just type sudo gem install Water WebDriver. If it's not installed, it will be installed. Also, I suggest installing Selenium WebDriver. Okay, if it's already installed, then you don't have to do anything. If not, then just follow this procedure. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and in future tutorial we will go in more depth for Water WebDriver and Water tests. Thanks for watching.